Hello beautiful people and welcome to another video of Coding Academy. In this video you will learn how to set up and install Visual Studio Code on your macOS. Start with opening your favorite web browser. So I'm using Firefox Developer Edition, and in the search bar write Visual Studio Code, or you can copy the link from the description box. So you will see the results, and here's the official website of Visual Studio Code. Click on it and it will directly take us to the home page of Visual Studio Code, and here we are. Now click the blue download button for Mac and let's wait for it to be installed. So let's wait for it to be downloaded. Let's close this one and open the download section. Now let's copy the Visual Studio Code to the applications folder and let's keep it in the dock. So now finally you can open Visual Studio Code. Click open and we are inside the Visual Studio Code, where you can open a folder, and if you have like any existing projects you can just reopen it. And also it has find and replace features. And also Visual Studio Code gives you the ability to run and debug your code. That's it for this video. Hopefully now you can set up Visual Studio Code on your macOS. See you in the next video.